Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you how to watch HBO Max in Pakistan. As you can see, this option will come in front of you when you try to log in HBO Max. Max is not available in your region. So the solution is you can use any VPN. I'm currently using the Node VPN. After that, connect to United States. I'm going for Node VPN. You can go for any other VPN. There are many free PC VPNs which you can try. After that, simply go to the next tab, search here HBO Max, press enter and open the first website. It will take a few seconds to completely load. As you can see, this has completely loaded in front of me. You can simply sign in or sign up and you can check the rate. Plan starts at 16.99, get this bundle, or plan starts at $10, get max, whatever you want to buy or you want to sign in. So that is a simple process of how to use HBO Max in Pakistan.